Hey everybody, we're back. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for coming to our channel. She wants you to click the bell, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things. If you're new, thanks for coming. If you're not, thanks for coming back. So we're doing a Boxycharm unboxing. If you're new and you're just here for the unboxing, then let me just forewarn you that our unboxings are a little bit different. It's part of some burlap. We do ours a little bit differently because her and I do them together. It's kind of our thing, and it's definitely not like the normal Boxycharm unboxing. She wants her brother. Mimian's with Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Yeah. Okay, that's okay?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure? Okay. Are you ready to unbox this? Yes. Okay. You love pink makeup? Oh, shoot. We're going to shoot. She wants a pink jacket. We're going to get her a jacket tomorrow because it's getting colder here in California. So let's open it up. We've got our little pamphlet. Okay, there you go. Oh, she's showing you too. She's our little mini vlogger. So this is Boxycharm Stellar. First thing I see is a pack of brushes. These are pretty heavy duty. Oh, hold on, please. One thing at a time, okay? So you have your paper? Your paper? Okay, good. So let's see which ones are these. Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite look in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose brush, which would be this one, is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. So that's this. It's pretty heavy duty. Like, this is a solid brush. Wait. Yeah. The other brush is foundation brush, has an oval base. Is that okay? The foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. $35. Here's the smaller one. Looks exactly like the bigger one, but smaller. Pretty heavy duty. I don't really use foundation brushes, so I like the sponge. Let's see what else we got. Since she just pulled it out, this looks nice from Becca. Oh, your brother's here. Oh, this is really nice, actually. Whoa. You can't see because there's so much of a glare, but it's a highlighter, I'm assuming. Yes, it's a gold one. It's like a very nice. Oh, she's ready to swatch. Looks like she already got into it. There's an eyeshadow palette, so spoiler alert there. Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter, an award-winning highlighting powder with an ultra buttery texture that melts into the skin for ultimate high-impact glow. $38. It is beautiful. I love highlighter. It is buttery. My light is just so bright that you can't even see it. So sorry. So here's the highlighter. I'll hold it back and then you can actually see it because my light is so bright, but it is super pigmented and I love it. This is the packaging. Can't really tell. My light is bright.
Hey, what is the brush?
You want the brush? Okay.
That's one.
Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. Explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmetic story and bring the universe to life. Wow. They are definitely, there's a lot of them. I think some of them I would definitely use. Some of them no. Some of them I probably wouldn't. Okay, here.
Oh, I want to try pink.
You like pink a lot, huh? Let's show everyone. So, this is regularly $35. So this is them. Anybody have any idea on how I can fix my lighting situation so it's not so bright? Because that's bright. She likes it. Let's see, what's up next? Masks. I'm not a big mask person, although I love skincare. Oh, brightening. I like that. Repair. Cool. So these masks are Vitamasks, morning and evening eye mask set. A cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff. I don't really have puffy under eyes or anything, so Please sit. Evening mask, ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repair. Okay, so hyaluronic acid, $12 for the mask. I'm assuming like $6 for each. They're cool. You put them on, unfold, smooth over your face, 10 to 15 minutes. Not like necessarily my thing because I don't have the time to just put a mask on. Oh yeah, are you showing them what that is? Oh, good. Let's see. What else do we have? I think the Boxy Lux is coming out next month. Then we have this. It is Juicy Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. It retails for $50. Proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused with organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Oh yeah, oh girl, you are glowing. Can I get some? Put some on mama. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, can I get some on this side?
Okay, thanks.
Oh, thank you. Mahalo. Oh, more? Oh, thank you so much. Does it look good?
Yes.
Thanks, girl. So I don't know if I'm really gonna use this either. I normally like face products, but I don't really have a problem with like wrinkles or puffy under my eyes or dark circles or bags or anything like that. So I don't know how much I'll use this, but I mean, I guess I'll try it out. So total price is $170. I think the brushes are cool.
I want open.
Okay, I don't really use these type of brushes, so I don't know how much use I'll actually get out of them. And I love the highlighter because I love highlighter in general. I like this palette. The palette's nice. I think you could do really nice shades with it. And if I did like a regular Boxycharm unboxing like everybody else does, then I would probably make something really great out of this. Please don't wipe the highlighter on your on the carpet.
Oh, what happened? Mama, why did you do that?
I didn't do that. Why'd you say I did that?
What did you do, Mama?
He didn't do that. You did it. She just lied. Come on. Anyway, I think you could make some really great colors out of this. On the camera, this looks a lot more green than it does in person. In person, it looks a little bit more of a blue than a aqua green. The 3 shades here on the top are glitter, so that's really nice. I mean, I'll use it, and if I don't, then I'll give it to her, so it's all good. I think that the this highlighter definitely makes up for everything in the box because it's beautiful and I love it. And
I got 2.
She has 2 brushes. She'll probably keep the brushes.
I got 2 brushes.
She gets a lot of brushes from like the Boxycharm and the Ipsy unboxings because I don't really use them. Okay, everybody, so that's the end of it with our Boxycharm and Ipsy unboxings. I try to keep them pretty straightforward and to the point. If you haven't already, it would be awesome if you followed our Instagrams. I'll put it up here, and with the rest of our social media, it will be linked below in the description. It would be super awesome if you could also check out this mom vlogger that I met, who's actually genuinely a nice person and enjoys doing like the real life mom vlogs that I enjoy doing. Her name's Brittanie. I'll link her channel below. It'd be awesome if you could subscribe to her. She's really sweet. And if you haven't already, it would be great if you could like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Can you sound bye?
Bye.
Bye.